This video I'm making is to show the molecule of a drug which can be very dangerous if it's prescribed or as an over-the-counter drug is taken for long periods of time. The drug is called omeprazole or Prilosec. It has another semi-equivalent drug to it, Nexium, which is esomeprazole. It's a pure proton pump inhibitor, which means it inhibits all production of hydrogen ion protons in the body, which are necessary even other than in stomach acid in order to facilitate transport mechanisms such as storage of calcium in the bone matrix. Next, I'll show you a patient that has suffered the ill effects of this, with their back being virtually destroyed after being left on medication for 6 years. This view is an AP of the person's spine, and you can see that there is marked collapse of the L4, L5 vertebra, osteophytic lipping also on those two vertebrae. That was a CT scan that was done for location. This is a CT scan of the S1, L543 vertebral bodies at a minimal depth. This is a little deeper view showing L5, S1 and L4, which is nearly 50% collapsed. L3 on up above, it goes on up to about T11. The density that's shown by the CT scan shows there's a wide range of bone density variation in this person's back. That's a little deeper view. You can see that L3, part of its transverse process body, also shows in this view now. This is a view that first photograph was shown, shows marked osteophytic production of L5 and L4, and L3 has almost slipped laterally off of L4. This is another view of that back, one similar to the one that was shown earlier. The L3 body looks like it's got a canal of some sort just exiting from near the center of it. This last view shows the entire vertebral column that was taken on the CT scan. Again, it points out the massive changes in the bone brought about because of the use of medication omeprazole. 2010, the doctors were sent a letter from the FDA, and I will list the site, and it tells there's a warning to physicians to be aware that this medication, if taken long term, can cause increased incidence of bone fractures of the long bones, and also it specifically mentions the spine. No one should ever say that their doctor should not prescribe this medication for the esophageal reflux, because a person's physician is one who is able to evaluate the risks and the benefit ratio. And I would never say that somebody did something and I wouldn't do that, because I was not there when he saw what he saw, and therefore I don't know why he did what he did. So if you're put on this medication, you're only true assertion should be that you're aware that this drug has this informational FDA bulletin about it, and you would like to talk to the doctor further about that. That's the end of the film, folks. Thanks a lot.